Hello, Franklin County Schools elementary and middle school families. I am Lela Baldwin, Chief of Academics, and I would like to share a few updates regarding our remote learning plans. During our school closure, Franklin County Schools has focused on serving meals to students and supporting their mental and emotional health while providing educational opportunities that foster their academic growth. I am going to share with you the plans for our next round of remote learning, which begins on Monday, April the 6th, and extends until Friday, April the 17th. Please know that even though the buildings are closed, opportunities for students to learn will continue. We have created 2-week packets for students that aim to prevent academic slide. Materials in these packets are to review content that was previously taught during face-to-face instruction. Teachers will initiate weekly contact with students and families. Students can also email teachers with questions. Teachers will respond as they can between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. In later packets, teachers will include some new material to expose students to high priority standards that would have been covered during the fourth 9 weeks. New material will have additional resources to support students. If you need a paper copy of the packet, it will be available on Monday, April the 6th from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. at one of the 5 school sites where lunch is currently being served. Those sites are Bunn High School, Franklinton Elementary, Laurel Mill Elementary, Lewisburg High, and Youngsville Elementary. Once you complete the paper version of the packet, please hold on to it until you receive further direction from your school's principal. If you have access to technology, you can view the packets online by going to the Franklin County Schools website at www.fcschools.net. There, you will access the materials by clicking on COVID-19 updates. Then, select the Academics tab. All materials for students in grades K through 8 will be linked here. Select your grade level. On each grade level page, you will see resources for English language arts, math, and for grades 2 through 8, science. Select the content area you wish to view, and then the link that says Learning Packet 4-6 through 4-17. There you will see the materials for this 2-week period. You do not have to print these at home. We ask that your child complete the work just using any paper that you may have in your home. In math and science, we have also included an extra support tab, which may prove helpful for both students and families. Contained at this link are videos for each standard and opportunities for additional practice. We appreciate your flexibility as well as your understanding during this time. There's so much new right now for teachers and students. There's no better time to exercise patience and grace with each other as a school community. If there is anything these past few weeks has taught me, is that we can get through all of this together. Thank you, have a great day, and please stay safe.